I would like to take a moment to address the international community and Baghdad. I would like to thank you all for the outpouring of sentiment and best wishes to my family and the Kurdish people in this most difficult time. Others have quite eloquently thanked the people of Kurdistan for their well wishes. Today I would like to discuss with you some other pressing matters. In the time of Imam Jalal, Kurdistan knew unparalleled wealth, security and international relations. The standard of living for the people of Kurdistan was higher than ever before. Our noble Peshmerga fought side by side with the Iraqi army against our enemies. To the international community, we were the shining star of the Middle East and the vanguard of the fight against terrorism. Today we face a massive financial crisis and we stand under the spectre of war. A war we do not need, a war we do not want. Today the Peshmerga and the Iraqi army are facing each other across a potential battlefield. Today, as a result of recent developments, we are under pressure from the international community. This is not the Imam Jalal way. I call on the PUK, all political parties, and most importantly, the people of Kurdistan, to rally with us behind the banner of Imam Jalal. The PUK has to lead the people of Kurdistan and Iraq out of this darkness. We call on the international community and leaders throughout Iraq to de-escalate the unfortunate potential military confrontation. Regardless of the legalities of the referendum, the question has been asked. We have the opinion of the people, even though the entire international community was against this. This period is over. I now call for an unconditional negotiation with Baghdad, using the constitutional law written under the guidance of Imam Jalal. This way we can guarantee the rights of our people, and we can defend the rights of our people with the support of the international community. We can fight for the Peshmerga and their well-being, for teachers and doctors, the sick and infirm, and the families of our martyrs with diplomacy and the law. The PUK must return to the Iraqi parliament, and the Iraqi parliament must return to the principle of consensus. Kirkuk needs a joint administration in accordance to the results of the last elections, and the nomination of an entirely new administration and, if necessary, a new governor. Kirkuk is bigger than any one man or political party. The disputed areas are a potential firestorm. We will need temporary joint governance to defuse the situation. KRG in Baghdad must resolve all issues related to oil and gas management and its associated revenues in a fair and transparent way that best serves the people of Iraq and Kurdistan. Kurdish airports and borders must be controlled by Kurds. We can work with Baghdad's supervision on the details, but the people must be Kurds and their wages and rights must be guaranteed. I urge the PUK to stand tall in this most difficult time, as we have so many times before. I urge the PUK to defend the people of Kurdistan. The PUK must follow the teachings of Imam Jalal, or the PUK ceases to be Imam Jalal's PUK. We must not allow this. We will never allow this. Finally, I would like to thank you all again for your support in this most difficult time, and ask for a unified Kurdish voice going forwards with Iraq and the international community to a peaceful, prosperous and united region. Thank you.